Yo, what's up guys? This is Chris Tisdale again with COINTABLE. Thank you very much for joining me. We're just going to open up a real small batch. It's going to be quick and fun. So we're going to do this real quick batch. I'm pretty confident from the comments on the last video that we're going to go with the other camera angle. I think it allows us to do it much quicker. It's definitely along the seam, but that's okay. Okay, here we go. It looks like there's a 5-coin batch and then something back here. So let's take a look. First one, we got a 1950 in proof 66. That's a great looking coin, and for anyone who knows what I've been up to lately, that's my jam. We got another 1950 in proof 66. This coin, it's a nice coin. I was gonna say it's got some contrast to it, but it doesn't have enough to matter. This coin here is, well, I'm gonna give this one the old silent treatment. It's an accented hair, and we'll talk about this in the future. I'm sure most of you know what that means. Here's a 52 quarter that I sent in, and I would have done this thinking that it is cameo for sure. You guys tell me in the comments, do you guys think it's cameo? Hard to imagine that that is not cameo, but let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think it's cameo or no? And then we have a 1943S. I sent it because I thought it was proof-like, and I didn't realize it would get such a low grade, but I love proof-like business strikes, so I'm cool with it. It graded 64, proof-like. Again, it's a 1943S steel cent, and it graded 64 proof-like. And then over here, I showed this on my stories. Guys, this is a coin that I personally discovered, the Bugs Bunny variety, back in 2014, or maybe it was about 2014. In 2012, I picked up the cherry picker guides, and basically I immediately made it a goal of mine to someday find or discover a variety that would be worthy enough to go into the cherry picker guide. And I never in a million years imagined that it could have been something this profound, nor could I have ever imagined that it was about to happen in the next 2 years. So I'm pretty excited about this. This is definitely the highest grade of a Bugs Bunny I've ever made, and it's just an awesome coin. So I'll post a close-up video of this, but this is a beautiful coin right here, and it is the new top pop. So I'm excited. Alright guys, there you have it. We're going to do a couple like that. Keep them quick and simple. Tell me what you guys think on that 1952 proof quarter. I think it's cameo. Tell me in the comments what you think. And again, this has been Chris Tisdale with COINTABLE. I cannot thank you enough for all the positive support, the words of encouragement, just all the comments that you guys send, the DMs that you send. It means the world to me. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you're really into what we're doing, definitely turn on post notifications. Thanks guys, we'll see you again soon.